3.17. Listen to the conversation between a tour guide and a tourist. Then locate each building by putting the numbers in front of the vocabulary.
Here we are at the temple. Most Buddhist temples consist of a collection of buildings enclosed by a wall. Right in front of us is the Vihan, or sermon hall, which holds the principal Buddha image and several other Buddha images.
What about the smaller building on the left, at the back of the Vihan?
Oh, that is the Bodh, or ordination hall. New monks take their vows there, and it can be identified by 6 boundary stones. Women are not allowed to enter the Bodh.
Is that a chedi right behind the Vihan?
Yes, that's a jedi. It normally contains either sacred relics of the Buddha or of a revered or venerated monk.
That's interesting. And I think I see the belfry next to it. Is that right?
Yes, you're correct.
I noticed a group of small houses on the left of the Bodh. What are they for?
Oh, they're what we call kuti, or monk's cells. Now, let's take a look to your right. That big pavilion is especially for the Buddhists who come to perform religious ceremonies, such as to make marriage for the dead. And at the far back of the pavilion is a crematorium. As you may know, when the Buddhists die, they are cremated rather than buried.
3.18. Listen to the following expressions and repeat.
Right in front of us. On the left. At the back. Behind. Next to. At the far back of.
3.19. Listen to the conversation between a tour guide and a tourist and fill in the blanks.
Let's enter the Vihan.
I suppose we need to take off our shoes before entering.
I'm glad you remember that. You can leave your shoes on the shelves here.
This is fantastic. Is that real gold?
Yes, but it's just a very thin gold leaf. Now, I'm going to show you some Buddha images posed in different attitudes. The principal Buddha image is cast in the subduing Mara attitude. This pose indicates the victory of Buddha over the temptation by the devil Mara.
Why is there a statue of an elephant and a monkey next to the Buddha?
It symbolizes when the Buddha was in the forest and an elephant and a monkey brought him offerings.
So what does the position of the image on the right represent?
It's the attitude of meditation.
And what is that couple doing over there?
They are making merit, and the monk is blessing them by sprinkling some holy water on them.
Over there are some containers with bamboo sticks in them. What are they for?
They are fortune sticks.
How can they tell someone's fortune?
I'll show you. First, pick up the bamboo container and make a wish in front of the principal Buddha image. Then shake it until one stick falls out. The stick has a number on it, which matches the number on the fortune-telling paper on which your fortune was written.
3.20. Listen and repeat.
A very thin gold leaf. The principal Buddha image. Attitude. Attitude of meditation. Subduing Mara attitude. The devil Mara. Sprinkling holy water. Bamboo containers. To make a wish. Fortune sticks. Fortune-telling paper.
3.21. Listen and practice the pronunciation.
Seated Buddha image. Standing Buddha image. Reclining Buddha image. Walking Buddha image. Seated Buddha under the cover of a 5-headed Naga.
Attitude of persuading relatives not to quarrel. Attitude of calming the ocean. Attitude of giving the first sermon. Attitude of accepting offerings from an elephant and a monkey.
Pedestal. Ashes. Buddha relics. The footprint of Lord Buddha. Sermon throne. Pulpit. Chanting. Altar table. Altar set. The triple gems. The 5 precepts. Tripitaka.
Rebirth. Reincarnation. Enlightenment. Nirvana. Ordination. To be ordained. Abbot. Novice. Alms bowl.